Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. I'd much appreciate it. We're looking at the DeWALT folding pocket knife. It's high carbon stainless steel. It says it's 8CR13 mauve. That's a Chinese steel, but still a pretty decent one at that. You got your G10 aluminum handle. That's nice. Saves on the weight. Intergraded wire strippers for 12 and 14 gauge. And your limited lifetime warranty. Guaranteed tough from DeWALT. Let's take a closer look. We'll take it out of the package. There we go. There's the wire strippers. Nice hole for the lanyard. Pretty decent pommel for a folding knife. The G10 handle feels great in the hand. It's very comfortable. It's got a nice pocket clip. We got a liner lock here. Dual thumb studs. Opens nice, real easy. It's got some serrations here, and it's a clip point. A little bit of jimping for the thumb here. It's nice. I like it. You got overall length here of 8 inches. The blade length is, I guess 3.5. The handle is about 4.5, roughly. DeWALT. It's very comfortable, like I say. There's no play. It's very sturdy. It's nice. Just took it out of the package, so it ought to be right. Gonna be using it, and that's the pocket clip. Gonna try it in my pocket there right now. Sits well. It's nice and deep. It's been skeletonized there, so it's nice and light. G10 in aluminum, like I was saying. I guess the blade is just, there we go. Right there, you can see for yourself. And it's only about 3 millimeters, we're not talking much here, like just over 1/8, I guess. Yeah. Very nice, very comfortable. Check it out if, you can pick it up, I'm sure, at any big box store. Pick this one up at Home Depot. Some myriad of stores DeWALT is available in, and this looks like and seems like a great product. Check it out. You might find a link in the description. If not, don't worry about it. Just buy it at the big box there. It's pretty nice. So far, I really like the look of it. It's well made. Feels great. It's a nice size. It's not too little. It's not too big. It's comfortable. Formidable pommel for a folding knife. It's nice. Thanks for your time. Like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification button. Okay, thank you for your time, and have a great day.